Alrighty folks, if we could steal your attention for just a quick moment, we'd like to point out safe procedures on this Boeing 737-700. There's a safety information card located in the seat back or your pocket. Feel free to follow along with it. Stay fasten your seatbelt, slide that flat end into the buckle, pull loose straps to tighten, to release the step-on buckle. Position seatbelt tight, low across your hips for any time that you are seated. We do have 6 emergency exits on board today, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead, lights on floor are going to lead you to these exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands, leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, there's life vest located underneath your seat. Remove vest only when told to do so. Pull straps open the container. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on safety information card. Place that vest over your head. Wrap black strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front and pull the tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down on that red tab to end plate. 3 overachievers blow into the tube at your shoulder. There's a light on the vest that will turn on once in the water. Please refer to safety information card for the use of the vest on an infant. Flight attendants are passing through the cabin at this time to make sure that those seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright lock position. All your carry-on items are stowed underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area under your feet completely clear. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is never allowed on an aircraft, including in the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations do require passenger compliance with flight passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. We are a bunch of party poopers on this aircraft. If you brought along any of your own alcohol, please make sure that stays stowed away for this entire flight. It is strictly prohibited to consume your own alcohol on any aircraft. And last but not least, if needed, 4 yellow oxygen masks will fall from a compartment overhead. To activate flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until plastic tubing is fully extended. Remove your own face covering, place this mask over your nose and mouth, securing with elastic straps. Although oxygen will be flying, that plastic bag may not fully inflate. If you are traveling with children or your husbands, be sure to put your mask on first before you help them out. That's it for the do's and don'ts. Flight attendants are here for your comfort and safety. If you need anything or see anything, please do not hesitate to let one of us know. We got you guys for 55 minutes, wheels up to wheels down. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this short flight.